Will Bitcoin be crashing below 90K? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, news about Didi Bam Bam. Yes, Didi Bam Bam. Yes, also deep diving into the charts as Bitcoin is crashing almost to 90K. Are we gonna fall down below 90K or where is the support? I'm gonna show you this exactly on the charts and also my prediction for the upcoming months, guys. Please don't freak out. Please keep holding strong hands, don't have weekends, but I will tell you why, and of course an inspirational quote at the end. Let's quickly jump into the news first. Bam! First news for today, guys, of course, is the Bybit hack again. Yes, Bybit hack is completely back again. All the Ethereums are now back again, one by one. Every user that has an Ethereum now on the Bybit funds again, guys. So yes, everything is back to normal for Bybit. Amazing solved by the Bybit team, guys. I think Bybit is just the best exchange out there. Use them, support them, use the link down below to sign up, guys. The second news, guys, is about Didi Bam Bam. Yes, Didi Bam Bam Bam. Yes, the news is that everyone is always asking me, Didi, how can I earn a little bit extra in crypto? Now, you can start earning extra crypto by becoming a referral for Didi Bam Bam. You can use the link down below the video to sign up to become a Didi Bam Bam referral, and from that moment you will be able to earn an income in the crypto space. You will get 5% on whatever you sell for Didi Bam Bam. Gold packages, silver packages, bronze packages. We will soon also update the new store, as we have a complete new store, a Didi Bam Bam exclusive store, not anymore in the Bitcoin family store. And this Didi Bam Bam exclusive store will also have clothes, goodies and all that stuff, and you can earn a 5% on everything that you sell just by signing up now using the link down below. Check it out yourself. The new website for the store will be ddbam.shop. So ddbam.shop is a new official store for the Didi Bam Bam platform, guys. Aside of that, yes, also the mini Telegram app was live last week. We had a small bug, so we put it offline for a little bit, and we are going to put it online again very soon, so you can start to use that as well, also to earn some extra points, and those points will give you access to a lot of cool prizes, maybe in the far future even access to becoming a gold VIP. And you want to become a gold VIP, as you can see on this short video and these couple of pictures, how cool the last VIP meetup was here in Phuket. I will give you a 1-minute summarize with just pictures of that epic VIP gold meetup in Phuket, what we did during this meetup, just a couple of pictures in 1 minute time with some beautiful music below it, and then I will jump into the charts. First enjoy this VIP meetup pictures, and then let's jump into the Bitcoin charts to see what is happening to Bitcoin exactly and where I think the support is. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at what is happening to Bitcoin, guys. Yes, I told you that Bollinger Band is too tight, we need to break out. I would expect a breakout to the top. That's what I said continuously. Now we are breaking down to the bottom. We broke down exactly to that green line that has been the support line for over, now let me see, from November, guys. So that's November, December, January, February. It's almost 4 months of support on this green line. And again, we fell exactly to that green line. We wicked through it, but the body is above it, and that body is going to close in 1 hour. We need to keep support over there, but I will come back to that later, guys. At least there is some excitement in the market and some volatility. So that's good for the traders, and yes, of course, also for everyone to be waking up again, guys. Long term, guys, I don't even want to take too much time to talk about, because you know what I believe in this market. We are just in the midst of it. We still need to go up to this purplish area over there to see a bull market top. We can see that we are now exactly where we always are, like around this 5 between the green and the line, red line in the middle of this situation over there again, and then sometimes the red line takes over, and that's a very bullish market momentum again. So let's see what will happen this time long term. But I have some amazing other charts I want to spend some more time on, so let's quickly jump into those charts, guys. Now the first chart I want to share with you is this one, because this one is showing you, yes, we are in a massive extreme fear. People are really fearful for Bitcoin to go to zero, which is what the fear and greed index always shows us. This is not positive, of course. Like 25 is really fearful. People are really afraid of the market, so that's why they are not trading at the moment. But on the other hand, let's be honest, If we go and look to the numbers, then yes, it is also a little bit like scary. Like, look over there, we are now at the level here of, what is it, 25. We haven't been this low since September 2024. So that's a very long time ago, and during that period, yes, we saw a dip in Bitcoin as well. I think it was a big dip. So yes, over here, people now fearing that same dip. Does that mean we could dip below 90K? That is the thing that we need to go and investigate now. I have some amazing charts that will show you even better where we are. Now, this is the first one. This is a chart I already shared with my VIPs on the 18th of January. So that's almost a week ago now that I showed the VIPs, guys, if we might fall, we will fall to that green box. That green box is going to be our massive area of support. Now look where that green box was when I shared that chart. That chart was shared on the 18th, guys. That green box was exactly between 90 and 92,000 US dollars. And where did we fall today? To exactly that level. That is why you should be a VIP, guys, because the VIPs get access to these charts, and when you get access to these charts, you're prepared to have buy orders at these levels. Some people had buy orders around 90K. They are up now with, let me look the price, 92K, 2K already. So that's the importance of becoming a Didi Bam Bam VIP. It is also in the charts. Now, this chart also helps you with understanding what is happening, as this is the chart of 2017, guys. This is the bull market of 2017. In the bull market of 2017, look over here. We had a 35% crash. And yes, that crash took from, let me see, beginning of January all the way till the mid of January. And then it took from the mid of January all the way till the mid of March to rebound above that previous level that we were before the crash. It was a 2-month bounce. Now then, another crash, 27%. That crash took from the end of March to the mid of March, and then the recovery took from the mid of March to mid of April before we went above that level again. It's a month of rebounds. Then again, another crash, 37% crash. And then a 37% crash that took around same period, like a month, and then the rebounds from July took all the way till mid of August to go above that previous level again. This is how Bitcoin moves. And another 38% crash and another 28% crash. That is the 2017 bull market. We are almost mimicking that bull market, guys. We see a certain amount of crashes, and it takes a certain amount of time to come above the previous level. And then we create a new all-time high. And then we crash, and we create a new all-time high. And then we crash, and we create a new all-time high. That is how Bitcoin moves, guys. So please zoom out, don't freak out. On this chart, you can also see where we are at the moment. We are at the moment where we need to be in the Bitcoin 4-year halving cycle. At the moment, the halving was that red dotted line, like it was over there, like it was over there. After the halving, we will get a green bull market box. Then we will get a reddish bear market box. The bottom is in, and then we will get a sideways movement all the way till that new halving, a little bit up again. Every time. We are still in this green box. That peak is going to be in the end of this year. Then we will have a 12-month bear market. And then again, we will have that yellow box. It will take another 12 months before we arrive again at the new halving. I believe we still have the possibility to go to these levels over there. A lot of people believe this is also possible. For me, 160, just a tiny pump, is already beautiful for this bull market top. Also, this chart showing you the same where we are at the moment. If you look at the 4-year halving cycle, guys, we are just before we need to explode. That is where we are. We are there. And yes, we were outperforming the other cycles. Now we are underperforming the other cycles. Then we were even with the other cycle. And now we are again where we should be. Look, blue, this is the 16. Then we have red, this is the 2020 cycle. Then we have this one, the 2024 cycle. Look, we should be a little bit lower every time. Red is lower than blue. This green is a little bit lower than red. We should end up a little bit lower than greenish over here, in my opinion. And that would mean 160,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. If we outperform the previous cycle because it was a double top, yes, we could end up somewhere there. And that would be 240,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. How long will it take? An average from where we are till the top was around another 250 days, guys. 250 days. That is how close we are to the real bull market top. Now, for all those people interested in altcoins, what is my view on that? My view is that a lot of liquidations will happen if the prices will go up again, guys. That is what you can see on this chart. Of course, all the liquidations happened already to the downside. That is where we are now. Look, we are now where the Bitcoin price over there, because there was a shitload of liquidations over here. Now we hunt down on them. Now, if the Bitcoin price goes over there, all of this will be liquidated. So yes, 100K is the next move in my opinion. Solana 180, same, we are on 140. Look, we can go all the way here to take and grab that liquidation, that liquidity over there. $2.80 for SUI, yes, easily to $3.70 levels. Ethereum 2,500, easily around 3K again. Here, Trump token $12.75, yeah. You know, should we talk about Trump token? I don't know. You know, a lot of other presidents had some issues with their meme token, but yeah, the liquidity is over there, guys. So that's all these altcoins, even Zeus over here, you know, 27 cents at the moment. 38 cents, that's where the liquidity is. So we will mostly hunt for those levels. So check these charts for the altcoin that you like and see where the liquidity is and where people will be liquidated and where there's a lot of buying and selling pressure. And that is how you target the price when you are in a spot trade, guys. That were the charts for today. I hope you really enjoyed the charts, guys. Yes, short term, a shitload of volatility. I can also see there's more and more traders again trading on Bybit. We fell all the way down 80% in traders when it comes to my overview that I can see on Bybit. So now we are almost back again to only 60% less traders. So yes, people are starting to trust Bybit again, depositing funds and trading there because they know that Bybit is completely safe, guys. But I can see clearly less people are trading at this moment in our overview that I see in the Bybit backend, guys. So amazing to see that people start to trust again and start to trade, but still we are far away from where we were a week ago, guys. That also means a lot of people were shocked by the Bybit hack and got smarter through the Bybit hack and start to understand they maybe shouldn't be a trader but an investor, and an investor holds their Bitcoin in self-custody. Self-custody, your own hardware wallets. That's the safest way to store your cryptocurrency. And if you want to be completely safe, you don't even use a hardware wallet. You just use 24 words. And those 24 words you cut up in 4 pieces of 6 words. And in every piece of 6 words, you do some kind of algorithm, for example, exchanging the middle 2 words or whatever you think you can do. And then all those 6 word pieces you store in a different location. Then you don't even have a ledger on you when you're traveling, etc. Maybe you can have the ledger with you, but then completely empty, no Bitcoins on it, just a completely formatted ledger. But if you need to have access to your crypto, you could use that ledger to install that wallet. But you know, there's many other wallets where you can load in a 24 seed phrase word as well, guys. So that is my view on the charts. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let's jump into the last part, the inspirational quote, while the wind starts to blow. The inspirational quote for today. In life, it is not about how often you fall down or fail. It is all about how often you stand up and you bounce back again, guys. That is exactly now for Bybit. Of course they failed. Maybe it was not Bybit, maybe it was Safe Wallet, maybe it was Ledger that was hacked. We don't know for sure yet, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Bybit fell down, $5 billion in volume. It matters how they come out of the situation, how they stand up and continue, how they become stronger from these lessons. That is what counts in life. It's not always focusing on, I fell down again. It was again not a success. Again, I didn't succeed. Again, something went wrong in my life. No, you can fall down as often as you want. It's all about how often do you bounce back again, stand up again, rise again. Rise from that deep depth where you are, from that painful situation that you feel, from that situation, that negative circle. Everything is wrong, nothing is okay. All my people that I know are not okay. Nothing is like a positive energy. Everything is down, down, down. At that moment, the only thing that matters, rising up and being strong. And then at the end, you will be successful. You won't be successful if you fall down and you keep lying on the ground and fall asleep for the rest of your life over there. That's not going to lead to success. That's not going to lead to happiness. That's not going to lead to anything positive in life. The only thing that will lead to positiveness, happiness in life is when you stand up again. When you feel strong, you conquer that dip. When you overcome all of those issues that you see as a huge issue, and afterwards, a year later, you're like, oh shit, why did I make an issue about that small thing? That is what counts in life. Not the amount of times you fall. The amount of times you rise up again and become stronger and learn your lesson from those times that you fall. That is the inspirational quote for today, guys. Short but powerful, as I have a very busy day again today. I hope you really enjoyed this video though. I hope you enjoyed the news, that you now can start earning a little bit with Didi Bam Bam. The charts, of course, what you can expect of Bitcoin, and of course the inspirational quote, if you are down, rise up, stand up and become that person that you really deserve to be. Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing day. Hopefully see you tomorrow again in a little bit longer video. Bam!